Hi, this is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax. Today we're going to look at a 2017 Harris Grand Mariner. It's a really nice boat, 2017 low hours. As you can see, the interior is in great condition. It's got a nice ski tower, LED lighting. Picture of the helm back here. We got full gauges, stereo, glove box. This has digital throttle also. Great swim pad in the back, plenty of cup holders. This comes with a Mercury 250 horsepower 4-stroke engine. Nice big swim platform. This is Dennis Orcutt, MarineMax Lake Wylie Marina. If you'd like to see more of this boat, please give us a call. 803-831-2101. Thanks for watching.